classy. Drive this outstanding truck home today. Great safety equipment to protect you on the road: ABS, traction control, curtain airbags, passenger airbag, stability control, with anti-roll control. This vehicle is nicely equipped with features such as power windows, auto, tilt steering wheel, 4 doors, fuel economy. EPA Highway MPG 18 and EPA City MPG 14. Charles Gabus Ford is Iowa's #1 Ford dealer. We got to be #1 BY, offering great deals on Iowa's largest selection of new Fords and used vehicles in the state. We back it up with service after the sale, including oil changes for life, and we are the area's only 5-time President's Award winner. We are locally owned and a dealer for over 57 years. We look forward to serving you. Come see us today.